touch my hair.
Welcome, and now I'm starting by the products. So first of all, I'm gonna be using some elastics, then a comb to comb my hair out, and my moisturizing cream, which is Shea Miracle from African Pride. Once you've done that, I'm just gonna take off my previous hairstyle, and then I'm just gonna comb out my hair, which are already blown dried. And then I'm just gonna separate my hair in two parts, just like if I was preparing my hair for cornrows. Now I'm gonna add some of my moisturizer, and once I've done that, I'm just gonna start taking the parts, and I'm gonna actually just put an elastic on it, and I'm just gonna keep going with this procedure of just putting an elastic at every part I'm taking. So now this is the first part. You want it really tight, so just like the beginning of a braid, so there is no bubble for now. But now I'm just gonna part a second part, and I'm actually gonna take it and attach it with an elastic with the first part. And this is when the bubble comes in. You can actually go ahead and just try to like make the bubble really a bit bigger, and then you're just gonna keep going until you're done your bubble braid. Just separate the hair and actually attach it with the previous part, and you're almost done after this. So yeah, don't forget to tell me how you find this procedure. For me, I found it really fast because honestly the video is speed up a bit, yes, but it took me around 10 minutes to complete this hairstyle. So this is a really quick and nice and fancy and at the same time so urban hairstyle. Now one part is done and I'm pretty happy with it. This is the first time I'm actually doing this. This is really cool. Now I'm just gonna do the second braid and I'm gonna let you enjoy. Now both braids are done. I'm just gonna add some of my jewelry and moisturize my face, and I'm gonna show you the final result, which is now. Thank you guys for watching my video. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to like the video, to comment, and subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Don't forget to share my videos too, and also thank you very much for the 870 subscribers. I'm really so happy for the support you guys are giving me. Thank you again, and I'll see you in the next video.